DR Horton's here in Porter, Texas. Today is a Realtor event, so we got the opportunity to check out some of the beautiful homes here. Here at DR Horton Homes, I have Miss Stormy here with us today. Basically tell us promotions, the rates, and everything DR Hortons has to offer.
Yeah, of course. So currently we have rates as low as 4.99% fixed rates for government loans if they use our in-house lender DHI Mortgage. We are also contributing up to $8,000 towards their closing costs, as well as a move-in package, which includes fridge, washer, dryer, and blinds. And we do have some reduced pricing. This is on select homes.
Wow. Anything else you want to add with that?
Just that this is a centrally located community. We're very close to 1314, off 99, and 242. Valley Town Ranch Center is right up the road, as well as the Woodlands that you can easily, it's very easily accessible.
Yeah, so we're like right in the middle. All right, thank you so much. Looking at
of course, thank you.
4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and 1 study, 1 story under 300s by DR Hortons here in Porter, Texas. Is a lovely study room. Oh, here, oh, look at a lot.
Oh, wow.
It's
This
large.
is really good size.
Yes. Look at this lovely room. She just mentioned this is included.
Oh, nice.
Movie.
And there's an available upgrade.
Yes. Large room.
It's good space. I like the back wall, the primary wall there.
Here. Look how large this is.
Yeah, it's huge. That's a California King.
Yes.
Dual vanities, and then you got the tub.
Very low.
Very low. And then, yeah, nice shower.
And then we have a walk-in closet.
So we got, is this
Very good size.
Yeah, this is a good size closet.
Yeah.
This would be her closet.
Where's his?
I think right here. There's his closet.
There you go.
Perfect.